Nigiri. Hand-pressed and surprisingly precise, this traditional Japanese preparation places a slice of raw or cooked fish over a compact mound of vinegared rice. Originating on the streets of Tokyo during the Edo period as a quick street food, the style relies on thin coatings of wasabi pressed directly between the fish and rice to enhance natural flavors and act as a natural antibacterial. Master chefs spend years perfecting the balance between warm, loosely packed rice and cool seafood, ensuring the combination holds its shape just long enough to reach the diner's tongue. It remains the gold standard for testing a chef's knife skills and rice preparation. Maki. Wrapped in a dark sheet of dried seaweed known as nori, this cylindrical roll compresses seasoned rice around a central core of fish, vegetables, or egg. Developed in 18th century Japan using bamboo mats to roll the ingredients tight, the style allowed vendors to serve portable portions that kept their shape throughout the day. The outer algae sheet provides a crisp, salty barrier that seals in moisture while adding an earthy bite against the soft interior. Sliced into bite-sized wheels, it established the structural blueprint for modern roll variations globally. Hosomaki. Measuring barely an inch in diameter, this minimalist thin roll places a single filling inside a tight cylinder of rice and seaweed. Japanese culinary tradition values this style for its restraint, frequently featuring raw tuna, cucumber, or pickled radish to highlight one pure flavor without distraction. Because the roll uses only a half sheet of nori, it requires tight rolling techniques so the delicate filling stays centered during slicing. It serves as a light palate refresher between heavier, multi-ingredient options. Futomaki. Thick, colorful, and packed with up to 5 different fillings, this traditional wide roll functions as a complete meal wrapped in nori. Originating in the Kansai region as a festive food for celebrations and holidays, the interior often blends sweet-cooked egg, simmered mushrooms, seasoned gourd strips, and fresh greens. The large diameter requires precise layering, so every cut wheel displays a balanced, mosaic-like cross-section. Its vegetarian-heavy profile offers a historical look at how sushi was prepared before fresh raw ocean fish became widely accessible. Uramaki. Constructed with the vinegared rice facing outward and the seaweed hidden inside, this inside-out style was invented in Los Angeles during the 1970s to ease American diners into eating raw seaweed. Chefs flipped the traditional assembly order and coated the exterior rice in toasted sesame seeds or flying fish roe to prevent sticking. The hidden nori layer holds the inner fish and avocado intact, while allowing the soft texture of the rice to hit the palate first. This structural inversion paved the way for modern fusion rolls featuring rich sauces and fried toppings. Temaki. Hand-rolled into a loose cone shape, this casual style is designed to be eaten immediately by hand, without chopsticks or slicing. Emerging as a popular home-style preparation across Japan, diners customize their own combinations by filling small sheets of toasted nori with warm rice and raw fish strips right at the table. Eating the cone quickly ensures the seaweed stays warm and crispy before absorbing moisture from the rice. Its informal nature makes it a centerpiece for social gatherings where speed and freshness trump formal presentation. Sashimi. Consisting purely of raw fish or meat sliced into delicate pieces, this dish contains no rice at all, making it technically distinct from true sushi yet fundamental to the culture. Japanese knife masters developed specific cutting angles tailored to different muscle structures, optimizing the tenderness of fat marbled tuna or firm sea bass. Served over shredded daikon radish with soy sauce and wasabi, the absolute lack of grain forces complete focus onto the freshness, texture, and origin of the seafood. It represents the purest expression of seafood craftsmanship in Japanese cuisine. Inari. Enclosing seasoned vinegared rice inside a deep-fried, sweet, soy-simmered tofu pouch, this unique style completely eliminates fish or seaweed from the plate. Named after the Shinto god of agriculture, legend suggests that foxes, the deity's messengers, held a special fondness for fried tofu. The porous bean curd pocket absorbs a rich, sweet and savory broth that bursts with moisture when bitten, creating a striking contrast against the tangy rice inside. Its long shelf life and sweet profile make it a popular comfort item in Japanese bento boxes.